Hi guys, today I have the great topic that is about the Cisco Neighbor Discovery. This is abbreviation. What is the CDP? Yes, and it is the feature that allows you to display some information of the neighboring device, but only the connected device. That, for example, like this. As you can see, the scenario here I have created for you. Uh, for example, like I'm on the router 1 here, so I want to display the information about the router 0 and router 2 here. So CDP can help you out of this. So actually we have more command, but for me I only use 2 command that is very useful for me. The first command is show CDP neighbor, then going to show brief detail only, and the second command is show CDP neighbor detail. It's going to display to detail for you. And this feature is enabled on the Cisco router or Cisco switch by default. Yeah, and this is this feature doesn't allow you to configure any IP or layer 3 protocol. It only allow you to up the port, okay, at the port right here, and it's so the protocol will do the broadcast and send uh, the packet by itself. Actually, this is layer 2 packet. Okay, so I have the lab here. Oh, sorry. Okay, alright. Like this is the lab that I have used for the RIP protocol, but actually is nothing changed about this. So suppose I'm on router 1 here, and I want to see the information about router 0, router 2. I'm going to show CDP neighbor. As you can see, is that I got the brief information like this. My gigabit 0/0 here is the local interface is connected to the neighbor router 0. Okay, and this is the hold down timer, and this is the capability, and this is the platform that uses the C2900 is the serial model of the router 0, of course, and the router 0 connect to router 1 here, that is my local router on the gigabit 0/0, and the router 2 is the interface of my local router that I connect to gigabit 0/1 here, hold on timer, something like that. So I want to display more detail about each router that I'm going to have. So I'm going to show CDP neighbor detail. Okay, so here on the information on router 0 here, the management IP address is 10.0.1.1 here. Of course, interface, outgoing interface, local interface, and version here you can see Cisco wireless software, something like that. And version 15.1, we can see everything. You can see the top flag, you can see the management IP address, version as well. So this feature is very useful when you want to know what kind of the device they connect to you. It can be, first of all, like it can be router, it can be switch, it can be AP, and many other devices. So this feature is very great to let you know about the status of your connected device. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks you very much.